Human Capital Management 1. This is a case study where we're going to be defining a position inside our organization, Global by Incorporated, so that we can plan for that staff to be hired until we reach its career plan in the future. Step 1, create position. We're going to start by creating a position for the security department. Okay, it's going to be inside human resources, organization management, organizational plan, organization and staffing, change. Okay, we can skip on this screen. Now, we're going to change the period. Okay, therefore, please click on the calendar button, date and preview. Enter the first day of last month as the start date. Okay. Also enter 1 year in the future as preview period. 1 year for this part here. So it's going to be from the 1st May 2021 until 30th of April 2022. Okay. Execute. Now, the position should be created in the security department. So we're going to search for it, find by search term. Currently, from what you see here, there is already something. So I'm going to change it. So let us try to do step 1. Search term. Okay. Then find by, click on organizational unit, search term. We're going to enter your ID. So I'm going to use 005 security. Okay. Now, click on find. And then you will see the result here. Okay. Now, double clicking on it, it will basically show this part here. As you can see, there is none being defined yet. Now, what you need to do here is basically highlight your organizational unit and click on create. On the upcoming screen, choose relationship. We're going to be choosing incorporates. A new position was created under it. Okay. On the bottom of the screen, the details for the new position are displayed. This part here. Then we're going to enter abbreviation, your ID, CSM. This part here. (005) CSM, and then we're going to insert here 005 Chief Security Manager as the name. Okay. And please activate the checkbox Head of Own Unit Organization. This part here. And then enter the first of last month as the validity from. So currently I'm doing this on the 12th of June, so it's going to be valid from the 1st of May, the first date of last month. Okay. If this is not able to be changed, click on this part, display key dates. Okay, notice there is a change here. Now you can insert here. Okay. What you need to do now, press on enter and refresh the data. Do you want to save the data? Click yes. And then, if you notice, this part here is going to be updated. Now, if you want to see any extra column on this side, you can click on here, column configuration. We can insert their code and also their ID. Press on enter. So now you have a similar screen with what is being instructed inside the lab exercise. Okay, click on enter to continue. Okay, so you need to create two further positions for this. That is first security guard and also security manager. For both positions, choose the same date as the previous step. As a abbreviation, you insert as per instructed inside the lab exercise. So you need to create two more. So the second one, select a suitable entry for this function. Okay, we're going to go to security, click on create, incorporates. Okay, we have a new one. We're going to insert 005 SG for security guard. So what we're going to do here is 005 security guard. Okay, now the date is similar, but we're not going to be taking on this head of own organizational unit. But if this were to be changed later, then we can change it by clicking on this. Now, afterwards, click on enter. Click on refresh, save. Okay, and then you have the security guard. Now, adding one more. That is going to be the security manager. Still incorporates 005 SM 005 security manager. Okay, so press on enter, press on refresh, click on yes, and then you already created 3 different positions. Okay, so if there were any changes for this part here, we're going to be changing it in the future, because currently we're not going to be putting it as head of own organizational unit. Okay, now we're going to be proceeding with step 2.